I'm Chris Hartman. I'm a nurse practitioner at UnityPoint Clinic, Internal Medicine at Penn Avenue. All kinds of patients come in to see us at the clinic. A lot of times it's just a maintenance visit, maybe they're hypertension, diabetes, thyroid issues. And then sometimes sprinkled throughout the day, I see people who have something more urgent, like an upper respiratory infection. Maybe they've injured themselves in some way and they're needing more help that day. The milestones, of course, that we like to see is that people are getting better. That's how we mark our success. People are passionate here about what they do. And whoever is the person who has that task, they get it completed, or they find somebody who will. And that, to me, is what sold me on UnityPoint. Free time for me is usually involving some kind of activity. I like to get outside, walking my dog, riding my bike, running, doing something outside, working in my yard. I do decorating. I like to kind of take a room as a fresh palette, strip it down and redo it. So that's the kind of things I like to do for entertainment and for hobbies. These are pictures of my two children, my son and my daughter-in-law. Wedding picture here that was taken at the winery at their wedding a couple years ago. And this is a family photo taken at Christmas time. I love taking care of people, and I cannot imagine anything else. When I was 5 and my grandfather was in the hospital, I saw the nurse taking care of him and I was just drawn to her. I couldn't take my eyes off of what she was doing. And when she left the room, I remember it vividly, I just started puffing, powdering my grandfather, and I took his dentures and I started scrubbing them, and I knew I wanted to be a nurse. I knew there was no other route for me, and that was my only goal.